First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. RustDesk package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via downloading the package from GitHub by using the following command. Now install RustDesk on Ubuntu using the following command. When installation is finished, you can search on the system searching bar by typing RustDesk or just by the main menu. RustDesk will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.